Hello everybody, welcome back to the Financial Ratio Analysis Spreadsheet. We're finishing up the earnings per share sum, which required an if statement. So now I'm going to calculate the price and earnings ratio, which will require an if and statement. So if and and statements will be required for this sum table here. So let's start that right now. Okay, that's finished. So let's move on to the profit, net profit and AT sales. The D point analysis. If statement is required, and now the next one is the sales total assets. Now I'm going to make sure to decrease its decimal. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's move on and calculate the return on assets, which is ROE. So far so good. Okay, net profit, AT and total assets. Next one is the total assets and stockholders' equity. So far so good. If statements for the next table. This is very good. Now ROE, which is return on equity. If statement. Which that was finished. Now we're into the statement of cash flows section. Calculating net profit after taxes. Now require an if statement. Next section is the depreciation. If statement once again. Decrease in accounts receivable. That'll be the next step, or accounts received. Decrease. If statement. Let me just check that again. Yeah, that looks correct. So let's move on and calculate decrease in inventories. If statement once again. Right, that's very good. Excellent. The decrease in other assets will be the next step. There will be an if statement again. Zero. So no other assets for the following years. 2021 and 2022. Okay, increase in accounts payable will be the next section. So far so good. Those are the correct answers. B8 is over here. B $sign $8. It matches to the numbers of years like that. Just 3. That's what the $sign B8 is. Over here is B51 and C51. Yeah, we're going to calculate increase in the corals and stop right here. And then in the next video of this spreadsheet, I will then move on to increase in taxes payable. Yes, let's calculate increase in accruals. If statement. Okay, that's very good. So that's it. That's it for now. So later on this evening, I will continue on and finish off this ratio analysis spreadsheet. We're just nearly there. Nearly just a few more sums left, and then this entire sheet of the financial ratio will be completed. So stay tuned. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Have a good, pleasant evening. I'll see you all very soon. Adios.